Want your pool clean in a flash and shine in a dash? Without lifting a finger? Meet the Fanttik AeroX, the award-winning robotic pool cleaner that does all the dirty work while you sit back and relax. Let's dive into the box. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. AeroX Pool Cleaner. Remote control. Mesh filter bag. 3 AA batteries. Charger. User manual. And a quick start guide. The build is sleek, compact, and rugged, ready to take on any pool debris mission. Design and build quality. With a modern design and robust materials, the AeroX is built to navigate pools of all shapes and sizes. Its 21.6 5-inch long body and a wide 15.7-inch rotating brush cover more area faster. Twin Flex Cleaning System. Powered by the Twin Flex Cleaning System, the robot combines Adapt Drive, a dynamic invert brush system that adjusts brush speed for stubborn stains. Swift Cruise, a flexible mobile platform that hugs corners and glides over any surface. From fine dirt to algae near the waterline, nothing escapes its grip. Cleaning modes and light indicators. Choose your cleaning style. Single cleaning mode, for one-time sessions. Weekly cleaning mode. Schedule it and forget it. Floor cleaning mode, waterline plus floor, and full cleaning mode. All easily selectable with visual light indicators. Just drop and go. The AeroX isn't just smart, it's fast. With a cleaning speed of up to 1,076 square feet per hour, it tackles 5,382 square feet in just 6 hours working time, offering 4 times more efficiency than conventional cleaners. Aquapilot Smart Navigation. Thanks to Aquapilot, the AeroX doesn't just wander, it plans. Dual ultrasonic and high-precision sensors detect walls and optimize its path with a proprietary navigation algorithm for 99% cleaning coverage. This is why the AeroX is known as the world's first SFSD, Turbo Clean Robotic Pool Cleaner. Control is always in your hands. No need to remove the robot from the water. Use the mobile app to set cleaning modes, track progress, get filter basket updates, chat online with Fanttik's support team, and even control the robot with pinpoint accuracy using the included remote. You can lie on the shore and command it to do the work, just like controlling a drone remotely. When power starts running low, the Fanttik AeroX doesn't wait to be rescued. It intelligently detects low battery levels and auto-parks itself right at the pool's edge. No diving, no dragging required. You can also use the lift function on the app to make it return to your side. And with built-in voice prompts, it talks to you in real time, keeping you informed every step of the way. It's not just smart, it's effortless, efficient, and made to make your pool cleaning truly hands-free. The Fanttik AeroX, smart robotic pool cleaner, is your personal underwater assistant. Awarded the American Good Design Seal, because your pool deserves the best. Ready to level up your pool cleaning game? Click the link below and let the AeroX do the diving for you. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.